Hi there, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how we use AI prompting to generate 3D. Now you can finally use text input to generate 3D in Sloyd. And we can write something like, like the suggestion here, mage staff with big horns. And and you get that object. So that's, it's pretty cool. You have all these customization options still that you can go and customize as we always do in Sloyd, but now you get this starting point based on what you type in. So we can do I don't know, a barn, and instead of kind of searching through and looking through and trying different things, you get that initial starting point. And you can go and export directly, or you can, of course, customize as you please. One of the things that I really think is pretty cool is the weapons customization. So it actually knows different types of weapons too. So you could type in like M16 and other different types of weapons, and it actually knows that quite well. So this is typical kind of M16. We could try AK-47. And you basically get that. So it's a bit on top. Let's just move over here. So it's really just how it works is it's selecting from all these options. That's really how it works. So it's selecting from the options and matching that to the best possible match with what you just prompted. So it's quite advanced in a way where it knows what an M16 and AK-47 and other things are, and you can also use adjectives and say like make it a crazy crossbow or make it stuff like that. And it will give you the kind of combination that's most crazy. But what we really want to add, and actually we have working in the back end, it's coming very soon, is full conversational changes. So you could say stuff like, make it longer, make it wider, thicker. And soon also make it blue, make it more metallic. You have material control as well. So basically full control over all the parameters and all the parts, switch things off and on, make it wacky, make it more detailed, that kind of stuff. So let's just try a couple more and to kind of understand what the limitations are as well. So, obviously if you type in something that we don't do at all, like, I don't know, a bear, we don't support animals in Sloyd, at least not right now. So if you type a bear, it gives you the next best thing, which is in this case is a bear trap. So it's, that's the cool thing about LLMs. It does understand the concept of a bear and this bear trap. So I don't know, let's try something else. A knight. Because we also don't do like characters and stuff like that. We have some very basic kind of robots and stuff like that. But this is the cool thing, because it doesn't have a knight, but it knows that a knight uses swords. So that's what I think is like, that is pretty cool. So it does understand some things. Let's try another one that I know doesn't work really well. Submachine gun. It would give you its best interpretation of what a submachine gun is. And obviously this is a light machine gun. It's a huge thing. So sometimes you just have to try different things. You could then, try Uzi or some other type of submachine gun, and hopefully it will get you closer to what you're looking for. So in this case, it's a lot closer, but I probably wouldn't have chosen the sci-fi stock. It chose this one. Probably would have chosen this one, for example. And now it's pretty close to, this is a submachine gun. It does have 2 magazines, so maybe take one of them off or something. So, you can do stuff like that. And that's pretty much an Uzi. So that's one of the other limitations right now. It is that it cannot control toggles and sliders. So that's coming in the future. Another thing that's coming is material color control. So you can tell it to be blue or green or yellow or whatever with metallic and roughness, all that stuff in the actual prompt. But still, I think this is really powerful because it can take some time to figure out all the, like, we have, you know, 300 plus generators or like starting points for customizations, all these templates. And so learning kind of all of them to get the right starting point could take you some time. Potentially, it's still really quick. You know, it's not that complex. But if you want something that's really quick, then use the prompting and see how it gets, how far it gets you. And we do really want to hear from you. So leave a comment or come to our Discord and share the best prompts or even the worst prompts, and because we want to hear from you and learn and improve. So thanks for your time. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.